अरे यार लॉन्च हो।
So hey guys, what's up? So today Sinan's Beys will create a plastic Beyblade X version of our favorite Beyblade Valkyrie, which you have already seen in the thumbnail. First, grab a bottle cap like the one Sinan is using. Make 3 prom cuts properly with the help of a cutter. Now, you'll need 3 glue sticks like these ones for the blade of the Beyblade. Sinan is now shaping it using a cutter and soldering iron. Honestly, it's not so easy to make a Beyblade layer exactly like the real one while recording a video because it's a very complicated task. But still, after the hard work of 1 hour, here's the final shape of the layer. Now, print an image of this template link in the description, cut out the face area using scissors, and stick it properly onto the layer. For the bottom part, you'll need another bottle cap. Cut the bottom half of the bottle cap and stick it onto the layer properly. Lastly, for the performance tip, find something similar to performance tip. Normally, plastic Gen Beyblades are very lightweight, and although they need an estimated weight to use the extreme dash gears, plastic Gen Beyblades don't have that much weight. Besides, Sinan also don't have any Beyblade X Stadium right now. So, it doesn't make much sense to create a bit for this Beyblade. Very sorry for poor video quality, because it's almost evening now. Your likes and great comments truly inspire Sinan to create new videos. But this video would mean a lot to us if you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon.